It's not just the Rushmore state that continues to feel the impact of spring floods. Some Nebraska and Iowa businesses are still struggling to bring customers back to their doors. FEMA estimates that in Nebraska alone, more than 1,000 businesses were affected by March's severe weather. Many are taking extra steps to get the word out that they're reopened now. In Knox County, that's in northeast Nebraska, towns have started handing out maps so visitors can navigate the flood-damaged roads, encouraging people to visit those previously flood-damaged businesses.